Hello Nigerians, latest news. Yeson Wike commenced bidding of houses for our chief judges. According to Yeson Wike, which the video you are seeing here, which I'm going to play for you. According to Yeson Wike, he said that Mr. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu approved the bidding of these houses for our chief judges, that it will give them a good living and also security. He said that most of our chief judges are living as tenants, which is not good for our judiciary. Now, he said that giving them these houses is going to improve the judicial performance in this country called Nigeria. He also said that this house is not going to be taken away from them after retirement. This house is going to belong to them forever. In fact, according to Yeson Wike, he said that they have given them C of O of this land, meaning that this house is going to belong to them forever, whether serving or retired. Please, I'm going to play the video for you to watch, but as you're watching, please share and follow my page for more updates. This is Kizzy to the Care Driver.
The project was flagged off by FCT Minister Yeson Wike, says the houses will become the permanent property of the judges upon retirement, with certificate of occupancy issued in their names. He stated that the houses are expected to enhance the security and comfort of judicial officers, allowing them to perform their duties without fear or external influence.
What we are doing today is not just for heads of court when they retire, they go, no. As they retire, the property becomes their own. And that is approval of Mr. President. And that is why we issued the CFOs in their names.
Stakeholders praised the initiative, noting that safe, comfortable and secure residences will enable judicial officers to perform effectively, ensuring personal security and mental well-being.
This landmark occasion offers us an opportunity to acknowledge leadership that situates justice at the heart of national development. It is indeed deserving to commend the Honorable Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, His Excellency Barrister Yeson Wike, CON, Life Venture, for his unprecedented infrastructural development and bold interventions that have continued to advance justice sector reform.
The Attorney General of the Federation, Lateef Fagbemi's son, highlighted President Tinubu's commitment to improving the judiciary welfare.
This project is a tangible expression of the President's vision that a robust judiciary is essential to national development and the consolidation of democratic governance.
The project demonstrates the government's dedication to promoting the independence and effectiveness of the judiciary. Abidemi Sikiru, Arise News.